Hello everyone. This video shows the unboxing of a magical beaker. Though it is not magical, there is a simple science trick used to show the magic. In this video a simple experiment is done, to show that particles of matter have space between them. This video is going to be very interesting. So, watch the video till the end. So, this is the beaker. I got one more such beaker for 300 rupees only. So, 2 beakers costed me 300 rupees. Link to buy these beakers is in the description. So, now let's unbox it. Here it is. Pretty good, right? The volume of this beaker is 500 milliliters. And you can clearly see that graduations are also provided. Now let's see what is magical in this. We take 300 milliliters of water in the beaker. You can clearly see that the volume is 300 milliliters. Now, I have taken 25 cubic centimeters or 25 milliliters of salt, and add it to the water in the beaker. Now it is visible that the volume has changed to approximately 320 to 325 milliliters. Now, we mix the salt in water. After mixing the salt, the volume of the beaker is 300 milliliters. Which means there is no change in the volume. So, was it the magic of beaker? Well, it is not. Let us understand what is the science behind it. First, let us see what is our observation. Observation, though, after adding salt to water, the water level remained same, and the volume did not change. We know that everything around us is made up of matter. And matter is still made up of tiny particles. The matter cannot be destroyed. But from our observation, what do we observe? We see that only the volume of water is visible, but the volume of salt, which was 25 milliliters, is not visible. So, does that mean that the salt is destructed? Well, it does not. The salt dissolves in the water, which means the tiny particles of salt get into the spaces between particles of water. So, our conclusion is that, when the salt is dissolved in water, the particles of salt get into the spaces between particles of water. And this is the reason why the volume of the solution remains same as the volume of water. In this video we have seen the experiment which demonstrates that particles of matter have space between them. If you liked the video, then press the like button. Share this video to your friends. For more such scientific explanations and experiments, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.